A for Apex. B for B2B commerce. C for CRM dashboard. D for database. E for Einstein Analytics. F for Flow Builder. G for Global Actions. H for Health Cloud. I for Integration. J for Journey Builder. K for Knowledge Base. L for Lightning Experience. M for MuleSoft. N for Notes feature. O for Omnichannel. P for Pardo. Q for Quote Generation. R for Report Builder. S for Service Cloud. T for Trailhead. U for User Roles. V for Visualforce. W for Workbench. X for XML metadata. E for Yammer feed. Z for Zapier automation.